Hey guys, it's AG Lover 222. Sorry, it was really loud. That's better. Okay, today we're going to be doing some updates, sort of things, stuff like that. And the first update is one that I've already said. It is about the American Girl doll plays. As you all know, I'm going to the American Girl doll place on November 12th. And I'm getting one American Girl doll, or 3, not sure yet. But, while waiting for them, I'm just going to show you some updates. The first update is Webkinz. Webkinz are perfect pets for your American Girl dolls. They are like exactly their size, especially the Lilkins, for sure Lilkins. So, that's one of the updates. Thank you. Bye. The second thing is Lowell's Pet Shops. Especially for fish tanks. As you have your little fish tank, there is a little seahorse in there for me. There usually are fish in there for me, but I chose a seahorse this time. If you guys ever, this is something that I found laying on my floor. Cameraman, help me. Okay. Sorry. This is the whoopee cushion that I found laying on the floor. And Cameraman, no problem. Okay. And here is something that you have to get when you go to San Diego Zoo. If you go to San Diego Zoo. Cameraman. What? Okay. A mini San Diego Zoo little camera. And if you click on this yellow button sort of thing, you can see little things. I'm not sure if you can see that, probably not. Okay. Thanks for watching. Bye. Broadcasting by Isabella, Reese, and Jade.